Everyday headlines announce a new breakthrough in artificial intelligence. The news feels vast. It moves at a dizzying speed. This constant flow of information leaves many people asking one simple, profound question: will a machine take my job? This is a valid and deeply human fear. It echoes concerns from past industrial revolutions. But this moment is also a powerful opportunity. It is a chance to understand the forces reshaping our world. We can learn what is likely to change. We can also plan for what we must do next. This is not a future that happens to us. It is a future we can actively build. The conversation about AI and work is often painted in extremes. One side imagines a utopia free from toil. The other foresees a dystopia of mass unemployment. The reality will likely be far more nuanced. It will be a complex tapestry of job displacement, job creation, job transformation. Understanding this shift requires a calm and clear-eyed perspective. We must look past the hype and the fear. We must focus on the practical realities of what AI can do. We must focus on what AI cannot do. Artificial intelligence, at its heart, refers to machines that can perform tasks that once required a human mind. The progress in recent years has been astonishing. Today's AI can understand and process human language with remarkable sophistication. It can write text, analyze charts, identify objects, and answer questions. It can read vast documents and summarize their key points. It can write emails. It can write reports. It can write creative stories. It can generate stunningly detailed images from simple text descriptions. It can listen to spoken commands and hold a coherent conversation. These are not futuristic concepts. They are active applications being used in businesses around the world right now. This new wave of AI excels at pattern recognition. It can analyze enormous data sets far faster than any human could. This makes it invaluable in many fields. In medicine, AI helps doctors detect subtle anomalies in X-rays and MRI scans, leading to earlier diagnoses. In finance, it constantly monitors transactions to identify patterns of fraud in real time. In logistics, it optimizes shipping routes to save fuel and time. In customer service, chatbots handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents to deal with more complex problems. These skills are expanding and improving every single month. AI is very good at tasks that are well-defined and based on existing data. It learns from examples. If it has seen millions of pictures of cats, it becomes excellent at identifying cats. If it has processed billions of words, it becomes proficient at generating pattern text. So it excels at automating work that is routine, repetitive, or rule-based. The jobs most immediately affected by automation share a common set of characteristics. They are repetitive, predictable, and follow a clear set of instructions, often focused on processing information rather than creating it or managing complex human relationships. A classic example is data entry. A machine can now read information from a form, an invoice, a spreadsheet, faster and with fewer errors. Prime candidate for automation. Many customer service roles are transforming. Simple recurring questions. What is my balance? How do I reset my password? Are handled by chatbots and voice assistants. Human agents focus on complex problems, emotionally charged issues, and unusual cases requiring empathy and creativity. The front line of simple queries is automated first. Certain administrative and office support roles are vulnerable scheduling meetings, transcribing notes, preparing standard reports. Assistants can manage schedules with minimal oversight. Software can draft financial summaries or marketing reports. Paralegal document review is accelerated by AI. Automation rarely eliminates an entire job overnight. It automates tasks within the job. Cashiers challenged by self-checkout. Assembly tasks handled by robots. Designers' workflow shifts with AI concepts. While AI excels at routine tasks, a vast landscape of human work remains beyond its reach. Jobs rooted in deep human interaction, creativity, and complex strategic judgment are becoming even more valuable. These roles require trust, compassion, inspiration, and navigating human emotions, qualities that form a fortress against automation. Registered nurse. elder care provider, administering medicine, checking vital signs, comforting patients, communicating with worried families, noticing subtle changes that signal deeper problems. The human touch, literal and figurative. AI can help, but cannot replace it. Creativity and originality remain secure. AI can mimic a style, but not live a life that sparks a new movement. Novelist, film director, research scientist forming a groundbreaking hypothesis, connecting disparate ideas in novel ways, driven by curiosity, a desire to express a unique vision. Human ingenuity cannot be programmed. Senior leadership, CEO, team leaders, make difficult decisions under ambiguity, motivate teams, resolve conflicts, set strategy, and steward culture and ethics. Tasks of complex judgment remain human. That, I think, is crucial. As past revolutions birthed industries, AI is giving rise to a new frontier of roles. New titles: AI trainer, model auditor, prompt engineer. AI developers, machine learning engineers, data scientists, designing the next generation of models as demand surges. Beyond builders, an ecosystem emerges, training, managing, and integrating AI into society. Data labelers and AI trainers teach models with meticulously annotated images, text, and sensor data. Model auditors and AI ethicists test for bias, fairness, and safety, ensuring systems behave as intended. In this era of rapid change, waiting is not a strategy. Every worker can take proactive steps. Embrace lifelong learning. You don't need a 4-year degree. Start small. Commit to one new digital skill each month. Learn a new tool. Take a short data course and explore AI features in apps you already use. Audit your job. Routine, repetitive, rule-based versus creativity, complex problem-solving, strategy, deep interpersonal work. Shift time toward the human-centric column. Cultivate soft skills, active listening, clear communication, collaboration, empathy, perspective-taking, leading, mentoring, resolving conflicts. Experiment. Many powerful AI apps are free or low cost. Use them, play with them. Draft an email, brainstorm ideas, create a graphic for a presentation. Hands-on practice demystifies AI, turning a distant threat into a familiar tool. By learning the language and logic, you stop being a victim and become a leverager. Individual effort is essential, but not enough. Governments and businesses must act. Modernize education and workforce training. Strengthen the safety net, benefits, healthcare, job search support, portable benefits, and smart tax incentives. Companies, retrain, don't just replace. Use AI to augment people. Automate the repetitive. Upskill for higher value work. Foster dialogue and clear standards. Address bias, protect privacy, ensure accountability. The story is being written now. The technology is neutral, an engine of change, but we hold the wheel. Without thoughtful action, inequality, and displacement. With deliberate, inclusive design, we automate the dangerous, dull, and demeaning, freeing humans to create, care, connect, and solve. The future of work is not humans versus machines. It is humans with machines. Like and subscribe for more daily content.